Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about this super cute book, Being a Dog, A Tale of Mindfulness. So this book is really, really cute. It's all about how dogs they just are. They have their qualities and their things that they do and how it's okay and how we can be more like dogs and enjoy the little things like playing like a dog. Dogs love to play. Playing rain or shine, be curious like a dog, wade in the water, tunnel and shovel in the sand, hide and leap from the leaves. So there's a lot that we can learn from animals and how they're not afraid of doing things and how they're very curious, and it's got great lessons for your little one. So I really, really liked this book. My son as well really liked it. He loves dogs, so of course he would like a book about dogs. So I definitely recommend this, and that is my point of view.